Been holding this pain inside for so long, though the rain never goes away. They say I should leave these streets behind me, but it's so hard to escape. Oh Lord, please send me an angel to lead me out of this place. Send me away, far away, to better days. Hoping for better days, but I love when it rains, so I can go outside and hold my head in shame. It's not that I'm embarrassed, boy, I got a lot of pain. Been hustling so long, boy, I almost changed the game. Used to think niggas were suckers, maybe even lame. When they used to tell me, Ice, man, I wanna change. Thinking that the money really ain't what it's for. Sometimes when I re-up it, feeling like I'm making war. Asking God, man, do you think you can change me? And at the same time, I swear this shit is stressing me. Couldn't find my soul, so I look higher. Now I'm thanking God that he ain't leave my soul on fire. My money got longer, so should I retire? Or am I stuck looking good cause I got flyer? Didn't want this to really look like me. That's because I made the streets my fucking destiny.